Hey, what's up guys? My name is Myron and we are going to be talking about this Moen garbage disposal today. This is the Host Series. It's the 3/4 horse model. I actually just got this a few days ago and got it installed. My old one was quite old and well used. It had broken on me probably a month or two ago, and I finally got around to changing it out. And so far, I'm liking this one very well. The install was pretty easy on it. I did change the mounting flange up top, which was actually not as bad as I thought. I was a little bit intimidated by it, but everything went well. Basically just followed directions. The instructions were very clear on it, so it was easy to follow and easy to mount. I also did have to modify my drain pipe plumbing here a little bit. The original elbow pipe that came with it was extra long, which is great. You can always take length off of it. I just simply cut pipe length off of that and we were good to go. All in all, from what we've used it so far, this garbage disposal has been great. It's pretty quiet. It is a sound reduction disposer. So I'm gonna switch it on from up top here and hopefully you can hear a little bit. So you mostly just hear the startup of it and that's it. The rest is just kind of a quiet hum. Very, very smooth running disposal. Definitely recommend it. I would give this a 10 out of 10.